What's up guys, it's Daniel Bruce with Bruce Works, and today we're doing an upgrade on my Laguna 18BX bandsaw. So a while back, these things come with the ceramic blade guides, and a while back I upgraded to some Carter blade guides, which I just done some research and I thought it just might be a better fit for me and my work. And they've been a great upgrade that I'm happy to have purchased. But over the last couple years, the bearings on them have just, quite frankly, just gone kaput. So I'm stoked. So the boys over at Skate One, Bone Swiss, sent me a set of some Bone Swiss bearings. So today, in the spirit of skateboarding, we're gonna upgrade my Laguna 18BX with Carter bandsaw blade guides to have some Bone Swiss bearings. Hopefully this thing is just zinging by the time we're done today. So let's come look at it beforehand. Let's get a before shot. Also, I want to shout out Brixton Clothing sent me a big box. I'm wearing this snazzy shirt courtesy of Brixton, thank you. And then I'm wearing Vans. They sent me some too. Shout out Vans, you guys sent me a few pairs of shoes. These are not one of the newer pairs, but they're still Vans. So, come check this out. So as you can see, these bearings are like, this will barely roll. It's like gritty. This one's barely rolling. So we're gonna clean this up and put on some fresh Bone Swiss. Hopefully have this sucker zinging. Check these things out. Okay, so get close. There's like glue and epoxy, and it's just, these are dusted. So we're gonna change them out. This is really bad. So hopefully these guys are the cure. Shout out to Bone Swiss and Mike Taylor over at Bone Swiss. He's a dear friend of mine. He sent me some bearings. These are all I skate in, so this is like the only bearing that I'm gonna ride. They last way longer than any other bearing, and they're way faster, like off the rip. I used to just like buy $20 bearings all day long, and I'd go through like 4 sets of them in a year. I buy one set of these a year. Luckily now they sent me a set for my bandsaw. Maybe I can get them to send me a set for my skateboard. And old Chinese whatever bearings. Thanks for the upgrade, Bones. using One-Eyed Willie's wood paste right now. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna create basically a waxy finish, but a smooth waxy finish that will allow us to slide stuff across this table with unparalleled ease. Turn this sucker on, pretty excited. Let me adjust the throat. Let's see how these bone twists spin. Much better. Thanks, Bones.